class to create origami creatures for a display. The grade 7 class created 60 origami creatures. The number of creatures the grade 8 class created is 265% of the 60 creatures the grade 7 class created. How many origami creatures did the grade 8 class create? What is 265% of 60? Let's first write 265% as a decimal. Percent means out of 100. So write 265% as 265 over 100, which equals 2 and 65 hundredths. Remember that of means multiplication. So, 265% of 60 is 2 and 65 hundredths times 60, which equals 159. So, the grade 8 class created 159 origami creatures. The teacher combined the origami creatures the two classes created to make a display with 219 creatures. The math teacher came by to look at the display. She calculated that about 91/100% of the origami creatures were turtles. How many turtles were there? Let's write 91/100% as a decimal. 91/100% is 91/100ths over 100. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 100 to get whole numbers. 91 over 10,000 is 91 10,000ths. Remember that of means multiplication. So, 91/100% of 219 equals 91 10,000ths times 219, which is 1.9929. The number of origami creatures must be a whole number, and the closest whole number to 1.9929 is 2. So, 2 of the origami creatures were turtles. How could we estimate to check that our answer is reasonable? Well, 0.91% is about 1%, and 219 is about 200. 1% of 200 is 2. So, our answer is reasonable.